Before we get into the video, I wanted to let you guys know that I have some cool bear hoodies that are live. Has a cool little BTC right there, and then a cool little BTC right there. Anyways, just figured I'd shout that out. Limited quantity. Got that in a hoodie, and then a black t-shirt, as you guys see. So be sure to check that out if you guys want that. And then before we get into this video, it's just an elk hunt with my brother, and you guys are going to see kind of the difference between two different years in the exact same spot, and weather has a big factor in it, as you guys are going to be able to see from last year. My brother killed an awesome OTC bull, and this year we pretty much got skunked. Saw one bull, and I'm just going to kind of tell that story through film, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm headed out to scout for my late season elk hunt, and you guys can expect a lot of content coming soon, but I figured I'd make this film a little bit cooler than it needed to be, just because we didn't have any luck this year. But be sure, check them out on the website. Appreciate your guys' support. We'll catch you guys on another video.
One of us fucking share. Right, come. Go left. Go left. Shoot it. Hurry. Right there. See him? You get him?
I don't know.
Hurry. Go at him. Come. Oh, wait. He's dead.
Right out that door. Someday
You'll come running,
somehow
rivers calling,
you'll see
I'll be longing for
I'm free. Come hell or high water, I'm gonna make you love me. Come hell or high water, I'll bring your blue skies down. Come hell or high water, I'll kiss you and make no sound. Come hell or high water, I'll catch you before you fall. Come hell or high water, I'll come in like a wrecking ball.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm about to just talk some mad shit.
All right. Well, we made her back to the trucks and stuff. It's the next day, and I just figured I'd show you my brother's bull just a little bit more before we head out. But take a look at him. I did actually skin it out for him just because we're gonna give my taxidermist the fur or the hide or whatever, just to kind of go towards my deer mount. So it kind of credits it, but freaking amazing bull. You just so happy.
Yeah.
He's not much of a talker, but I'll just show you off his bull because it really is a freaking badass general season bull. Yeah, twirl around for the people, you know? It's freaking cool. Big old 7-point, massy, beautiful color on the horns. It's like golden looking, so pretty dope. And we got the meat just back there hanging. Got him looking like a snack. And then, yeah, I'm super happy about it. I'm sure he is too.
Oh yeah.
So now we're just gonna head out of here. Just figured to show you one more
Come hell or high
video.
water, baby, I think I want you.
Little bit of a update. It's October 6th. It's officially the second day of the rifle hunt, and plans got changed pretty dang fast because of the amount of people in that spot. At least the area where that nice 5-point was the night before the opener, and we ended up kind of hiking about 10 miles on opening day, which was yesterday, and didn't see anything. All we saw was a cool badger, as you saw, and then lots of muleys, a few decent bucks in the headlamps. Figured I might as well show you guys kind of what I'm packing in my pack for a rifle elk hunt. I don't have the tag, but I pretty much take the same stuff. Lots of paracord, just in case. I got a knife, blades, an electric lighter, an actual lighter, and then these are actually some earplugs, just in case. And then it's actually in a little mountain bonded bag, and I do have a code for these guys. It's code BIGTINE. They have all these sizes of bags that you can put your stuff in, and this is kind of what I keep it in. So there's that. And then for my food, got 2 granola bars, got a bag of chips, got a little energy just in case, a lunch to go, some jalapeno lime jerky, and then these are really good. My mom makes them. They're just protein balls. They got protein and carbs. And then these are always my go-to for a breakfast shake. 30 grams of protein, pretty decent carbs. It's perfect. And then a Gatorade, and then I just bought a new lens. This is a 200 to 600 G Sony lens. And then I got my spotting scope with the old ALPYN tripod and head. And then the rifle is a 300 Win Mag by Montana Rifles. Really excited to work with this company this year, and my brother's going to be using this gun, putting it to work for the first hunt. So this is all going to go in the old EXO pack. Alright guys, it's last day of my brother's elk hunt. We are in a brand new spot. Never been here before, never even been close. So wish us luck. get it done with the old Montana rifle. What are you hoping for? A big one?
Yep.
That's what we all hope for. We'll
Hopefully.
That's a pretty gun. We just need to let her eat. It's been like a 4.5, 5 hour drive, so now it's time to hike, I don't know, 2-3 miles, and then we can blast into these really big, cool basins. Lots of grass, not too many people on this little backside road, so wish us luck. I guess we'll see, and you guys will too, but let's see if we can't find a bull to shoot in the last day. We have seen one cow moose and then quite a few does, but just like nothing in here. So that's what happens when you try to pick a spot on the last day. And as you've seen, this video is very, very slow as of right now, but the day's pretty much just starting. See if my brother can kill a bull on the last day of the hunt. Either way, it's fun spending time with the old big bro and doing what I love, so Alright, we changed spots, eating some lunch real quick. Moved about, I don't know, hour and a half away. It's about noon to 1 right now, and just trying to get some energy for a pretty steep hike. I'm not going to show you too much, but just got to cross a little creek right here, go straight up, and then a long, long ways into a far basin. Alright, a little update for you guys. We've made it almost to the top bench. Pretty good little push up here. It's 2:30 or 2:03. Hour and 30 minutes in it. And we got another mile to go to get to the very top of this basin, where I think the elk are going to be, just because there's been people probably all around it, but I don't know if they've quite made it to the top of this.